From the earliest days of its independence, Zambia has understood a fundamental truth. In a world of giants, small nations survive and thrive not by standing alone, but by building bridges. Tucked in the heart of southern Africa, landlocked and vulnerable, Zambia could have turned inward. Instead, it chose to become a pillar of regional cooperation, a quiet force for peace, and a home for the continent's dreams of unity. This is the story of how a nation born from colonial borders transformed itself into an indispensable partner in the great project of African integration. If you're enjoying this journey through history, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more stories to life. Dove emoji, the moral compass championing liberation and peace. Before Zambia could speak of trade corridors or power pools, it first had to speak of freedom. When Zambia gained independence in 1964, much of southern Africa was still under the yoke of white minority rule. President Kenneth Kaunda, a devout Pan-Africanist, declared that Zambia's freedom was meaningless if its neighbors were not liberated. This moral conviction shaped Zambia's foreign policy for decades. Zambia became a founder member of the Frontline States, FLS, a coalition of African nations that coordinated the liberation struggle against apartheid South Africa and Rhodesia. Lusaka became the region's liberation center, hosting the headquarters of the African National Congress, ANC of South Africa and SWAPO of Namibia. The house where Oliver Tambo stayed in Avondale Township is now a national monument. This support came at a tremendous cost. Zambia suffered reprisal attacks from the Rhodesian and South African regimes, economic sanctions, and the closure of trade routes, costing the country an estimated $1 billion. Yet, Zambia never wavered, paying a premium price to help liberate the region. This moral authority later translated into active peace diplomacy. Zambia has consistently played a mediating role in regional conflicts. It sponsored the Angola peace talks that led to the 1994 Lusaka Protocols, and its capital has hosted numerous peace negotiations. Most recently, Zambia concluded a successful tenure as chair of the SADC organ on politics, defense, and security cooperation, where it worked tirelessly on conflict prevention, mediation, and the consolidation of democracy in the region. Classical building emoji, the architect hosting and building institutions. Zambia's most visible contribution to regional cooperation is physical. It hosts the headquarters of the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA, in Lusaka, making it a permanent hub for one of Africa's largest economic communities. This is no accident. From the very beginning, Zambia has been a champion of institution building. President Kaunda was a strong campaigner for African unity and deeper regional integration. In April 1980, he hosted a historic summit in Lusaka that gave birth to the Southern African Development Coordination Conference, SAD, the forerunner of today's Southern African Development Community, SADC. Kaunda was also one of the founding fathers of the Organization of African Unity, OAU, the precursor to the African Union, and served as its chairman from 1970 to 1973, and again from 1986 to 1987. This institutional commitment continues today. Zambia actively participates in the African Union, AU, and recently completed a 3-year tenure on its Peace and Security Council. During its tenure, Zambia pushed for the development of the AU Master Roadmap on silencing the guns by the year 2020, a blueprint for peace that was crafted in the Zambian capital. At the 2025 Astronomical Unit Summit, Zambia secured key outcomes, including hosting the third Pan-African Implementation and Partnership Conference on Water, Pan-African, underscoring its leadership in water security and governance. High voltage sign emoji, the builder, powering regional integration. If Zambia's moral and institutional roles form the soul of its regional cooperation, its infrastructure projects form the backbone. Zambia is currently spearheading some of the most ambitious energy integration projects in Africa, positioning itself as a central hub in the continent's emerging cross-border electricity trade. The flagship initiative is the Zambia-Tanzania-Kenya ZTK Power Interconnector, a 2,300-kilometer transmission line linking the Eastern Africa Power Pool (EAPP) with the Southern African Power Pool (SAPP), creating one of Africa's largest power markets. With a total cost of $1.2 billion, the project is supported by the World Bank, the European Union, the United Kingdom, and COMESA. Once completed, it will allow Zambia to import power during shortages and export surplus electricity, improving reliability and strengthening energy security across the region. Zambia is constructing over 900 kilometers of high-voltage transmission lines as part of this project. Complementing this is the Zambia-Tanzania Interconnector Project, ZTIP, a $285 million initiative that will serve as the final link needed to connect the Southern and Eastern African power pools. Together, these projects represent a tangible commitment to the African Union's Programme for Infrastructure Development in Africa, PIDA, and to SADC's industrialization strategy. Beyond energy, Zambia is also a key partner in developing strategic trade corridors, such as the Walvis Bay and Lubumbashi corridor, which opens up global market access through Namibian ports. Shield Emoji, the Peacekeeper, a global contributor to stability. Zambia's commitment to regional cooperation extends beyond diplomacy and infrastructure to the ultimate sacrifice, its own citizens in uniform. Zambia has a long and distinguished history of participation in United Nations peacekeeping missions, beginning in 1988 with the deployment to Iraq. Today, Zambia is consistently ranked among the top 20 contributors to UN peacekeeping in terms of troop contributions. The largest contingent of Zambian peacekeepers serves in the United Nations Multidimensional Integrated Stabilization Mission in the Central African Republic, MINUSCA, where a Zambian officer, Lieutenant General Humphrey Nguyen, serves as force commander. In July 2025, 753 peacekeepers from the 10th Zambian contingent received the United Nations Medal for their exemplary service, which included protecting civilians, escorting humanitarian convoys, and supporting the electoral process. The Zambian contingent has also initiated development projects, such as constructing buildings for local authorities and a youth center, as well as conducting medical consultations and awareness campaigns. This peacekeeping role is a natural extension of Zambia's broader regional security commitments. Zambia has supported SADC missions, including the SADC mission in Mozambique, SAMIM, which successfully dislodged terrorists from Cabo Delgado province, and continues to support the SADC mission in the DRC, Samadruk. In recognition of its leadership in public health security, Zambia was appointed SADC Cholera Prevention Champion in 2024, tasked with spearheading the fight against cholera and advocating for local vaccine production in the region. Africa Emoji, a legacy of quiet strength. Zambia's role in regional cooperation is not the story of a superpower imposing its will. It is the story of a landlocked, resource-dependent nation that understood, from the moment of its birth, that its destiny was tied to its neighbors. It is the story of Kenneth Kaunda, who turned Lusaka into a sanctuary for freedom fighters and a crucible for peace. It is the story of infrastructure projects that are physically wiring the continent together. And it is the story of Zambian peacekeepers, who bring stability to the most troubled corners of Africa. From the frontline states to the ZTK Power Interconnector, from hosting COMESA to chairing the SADC organ, Zambia has consistently punched above its weight. It has paid the price in economic sacrifice, in lives lost to reprisal attacks, and in the quiet, unglamorous work of mediation and institution building. Yet, it has never retreated. In a continent often divided by colonial borders and competing interests, Zambia has remained a steadfast builder of bridges. Its contributions to regional cooperation are a testament to a simple, profound idea that together, Africans are stronger, more prosperous, and more secure than they could ever be apart. Thank you for watching. If you found this history valuable, please like and subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective and keep the conversation going.